What's going on, family? This is now the section where we're going to be talking a little bit more about LinkedIn. This is a step-by-step guide to get your LinkedIn on track. This is going to be useful if you already have a LinkedIn, if you have no idea what LinkedIn is, or if you're looking to take your LinkedIn to the next level. We're going to go for about 5 to 10 minutes. This is completely raw, unedited, no skips, no cuts. All right, this is my first take actually shooting this. We're going to go straight through. So if I mess up, let's just keep it going. And I want to show you guys literally the mindset of creating content. And when you have an idea, to roll with it. All right, now when we think about LinkedIn, what is it? It's pretty much a social media platform tailored to a little bit more of a corporate or professional twist. All right, to get my background, I discovered LinkedIn probably around 2016, 2017 was my first time ever hearing about it. Growing up, I did have a lot of entrepreneurial, family members. So I always heard LinkedIn being thrown out. But when I got to college is when I actually literally used it for myself. And I'm gonna be honest, guys, when it comes to LinkedIn, it actually has one of the highest organic reach abilities right behind TikTok. And what does that mean? When you think about organic reach, that's simply the concept of when I post something, all right, it's gonna show it not only to my followers, but a magnitude of different individuals all around the world that are connected to the people who may watch the video. For example, I've put out content on LinkedIn that's gone super viral. I'm going to show you guys that in a second, how to go viral, how to create content, where on Instagram, it may only do, a couple hundred or a couple thousand views. All right. The name of the game for this, you have people that want to create content. You have people that are looking to get a job. You have people that are looking to do both. That you are looking, people may want to get business. People want to be able to close deals. LinkedIn is the place where people literally actually have money. All right, I've closed so many deals on LinkedIn, it's not even funny. All right, but let's go ahead. I'm going to share my screen really quickly, family. Like I said, we're going to knock this out in one take. This is the LinkedIn guide as a part of the free career kit with the resume plug. So I'm going to share my screen, make this a little bit bigger. As you guys can see, we are now on the actual LinkedIn platform. All right, we are now on the LinkedIn platform. All right, and what I want you guys to note really quickly is on this platform, I'm going to go ahead to my profile. You'll see it's pretty much like any other social media site. All right, now when I go to my profile, all right, you see a picture, you'll see a cover. There's a lot of different things. If you've never seen LinkedIn before, this can be slightly confusing. I'm going to be honest, guys. This can be slightly confusing. All right, but I got you. We're going to break it down. When you guys are creating your LinkedIn, I'm going to assume that you've already created it already. All right, pause and go create a LinkedIn if you don't have one. All right, just go ahead and make one. I don't care if it looks crazy. I'm going to tell you guys how to do it step by step. All right, but when I first created my LinkedIn, all that I did was I looked at individuals who I wanted to be like, and I did everything that they did. All right, there's nothing wrong with copycat as long as we are copying the right cat. You got to find those individuals and mentors that you look up to and literally duplicate what they have going on. Of course, be yourself. But if we're duplicating the greats, all right, we're duplicating the GOATs of the game, all right, I'm probably going to end up very successful as well. All right, so the first things first, your picture and your cover picture as well. All right, the thing about LinkedIn is it does not have to be a suit and tie. All right, you don't have to be, all squeezed up in a suit if you don't want to be. All right. My background, again, I did work for Facebook and I did a lot of internships as a college student coming out of North Carolina A&T. But my brand and my vision now is a little bit different. All right. I didn't want to come off super sturdy. I wanted to, when a company hired me, they know the full package that they're getting. They say that LinkedIn today is like a digital resume. So the tips are for your cover picture, just be presentable, a nice headshot, something clean. If you're not going to be in a suit, at least be, have a nice smile. All right. Ladies, don't have anything too flashy. Fellas, no jewelry, no necklaces. Just a clean, regular picture that can showcase who you are. For the cover, obviously, you could use, a background, maybe your favorite city. But for me, I have some screenshots of me in the field, me in action, me as a speaker, me being interviewed with Forbes, me teaching resumes to college kids. All right. Now, this is going to be very key. When you think about our headline. All right, I'm going to go ahead and press the pencil button right here to show you how we're going to edit this. All right, the headline is very important. The headline is going to be one of the first things that somebody sees when they look up your profile. So for me, it says a 4+ year resume writer and an NFT marketing agency owner. Those are the two main focuses that I have. All right. I talk about NFTs, HBCUs, youth education, cryptocurrency, and resume writing. All right. I'm located in Miami, Florida. All right. You'll be surprised with just these small, basic things, how crazy opportunities can come to you. I'm going to give you an example. All right. Like I said, guys, this is not edited at all. All right. I'm actually going on the fly. And so I want to show you guys some real life examples on how this literally makes sense. So I'm pulling up my DMs now. All right. LinkedIn DMs. You want to keep them professional. If you reach out to people, hello, sir, hello, ma'am, how are you doing? All right, especially if you're in business, you're looking for job opportunities, this is a great place where you're going to be able to land them. All right, it's going to be a great place where you're going to be able to land them. As you can see, I talked to a lot of different individuals, some of my friends, some of my previous resume clients, all right, some folks I haven't gotten back to, but I wanted to show you guys a very small example. Actually, I believe this was one today, all right? Literally, my guy Miguel reached out to me. He said, look, man, we're hosting an NFT yacht party. All right, NFT yacht party. He messaged me and said, do I want to go for Art Basel? Okay, super simple. Of course, I RSVP'd. Hey, I live in Miami. I would love to attend. I just registered. I can't wait to see you on the boat. All right, it's not difficult, but you do have to have things set up in place to show that you actually have a name, you have a brand, you're actually doing things. All right. And now when you reach out, you want to literally go ahead and send a message. All right. Like this gentleman said, hey, Nigel, I'm in the NFT, blockchain, and crypto space on LinkedIn. I'm excited to connect. I'm going to be more interested in connecting with Eddie than somebody who doesn't send a message at all. All right. So just showing you guys, I go to Eddie's profile. I'm seeing what he has going on. This is amazing. All right. He's in the NFT space. This is somebody that I really probably should get connected to, to be honest. All right. Navigating back to the profile page. All right, you'll see that you have the abilities. It's crazy. It's like Instagram, YouTube, everything's linked together, but on a professional sense. All right, I have all my YouTubes up. A lot of my pictures are up. Everything is super professional, tailored to what I do. Resume writing, career development, cryptocurrency, NFTs. All right, a lot of people don't know LinkedIn is one of my biggest platforms, 11,000 followers. All right, now when you have the description page, you want to showcase what you do. You know, solution engineering. I graduated with the engineering degree. I probably should update this soon. I talk about how I'm a business advocate, content creation. If you struggle with writing about yourself, use your mentors. All right. What I did, family, I shout out to my guy, Tim. All right. When I first had a LinkedIn, I had no idea what I was doing. Me and Tim are great friends now. All right. I literally went on Tim's page and I just did everything that he did. All right. Everything that he written down for himself, I translated it to me. All right. That's how I got started on LinkedIn. And the benefit, I was early. So creating content really, really went viral for me. All right. Here's the deal. You're still not too late. All right. A lot of people don't take advantage of LinkedIn. All right. One of the biggest questions that I get when it comes to LinkedIn, family, is what the heck can I post? All right. What am I supposed to talk about? Am I just supposed to say, yo, can I get a job? Am I just supposed to say, hey, somebody pick me, somebody hire me? No. I got you. It's just like on Instagram when you have a brand, but a professional sense. I'm going to show you guys how. I'm going to walk you through some of my posts, what I talk about, and some of the views that we've been able to attain. This is something that I would have posted on Instagram, on TikTok. I did, like a reel on Instagram. I did a reel, but I showcased myself, which is not important. The outfit's not important, but it's the flyer, what I was doing. Hey, I'm at an NFT crypto concert in Miami. All right. This event was amazing as we've seen the connection between rap and crypto. Do you believe that the NFT and crypto space, all right, can continue within music? And I always ask questions for all of my posts. I like to ask questions that all of my posts are something thought-provoking. All right, I'm talking about Facebook here. All right, things that interest me. I'm a resume writer. I'm showcasing some of the resumes that I've written. All right, I'm showcasing my clients. I did an Instagram talk with my sister. I'm showcasing them. But let's look at what I was doing early in my resume career and also on my LinkedIn career as well. All right, this is probably one of my more viral posts on LinkedIn. I mean, nearly 500,000 views, but it's not even always about that. I talk on panels. Anything that I do that's professional, I always want to spotlight it back to LinkedIn. All right, anything. It could be a conversation. It could be a book that you read. It could be a blog. You don't always have to show your face. You can start off with just making small posts. I said, hey, being on the sidelines sometimes can be the best position. As the summer's approaching, I want you to keep in mind a few things, all right? and just talked about writing out a game plan, just my thoughts. This is something that I probably would have done on Twitter, but a little bit more in a longer form so people to take in. It's 6,000 views talking about mental health during the pandemic. All right. Talking about adversity. Shout out to my friend Basant, somebody else that you guys want to follow. 85,000 views just from reposting her post. Let me say it again. 85,000 views just by reposting her post. You guys, I'm just scrolling down so you guys can see the vision. Everything that I do, whether working a job, helping resume clients, going on the red carpet. And this is last year or a few years ago when I gave away the free templates. Everything I'm showcasing. All right, everything I'm showcasing. The power of LinkedIn is crazy because now what we can do is we can have pretty much content behind our experiences. Every time you drop an experience, you want to make sure you have content. For example, I worked at Facebook. I want people to see a picture of me and the recruiting team. I want people to see, the team that I was on. I'm a team player. All right. I'm working the red carpet, a quick screenshot of that. Even if I don't have one, I at least link the website. These are key gems that's going to separate you from the next individual. At school, all right, I don't just say I went to North Carolina A&T. No, I give a thorough explanation, all right, and a detailed description on what I did, article from when I was in SGA and me playing on the tennis team, all right? And I still have ways to go. I could add things to my high school experience. I could add pictures to the resume plug, all right? I still have levels to go as well. I'm a member of Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated. I have that here. You can take volunteer, you can do quizzes, you can learn, people can give you recommendations. If you guys, want to use my LinkedIn, feel free to throw me a recommendation. You guys can clearly see I need more. It is very in-depth. It is a digital resume. You can showcase courses, organizations, projects, and it's super easy to use. Once you make that resume, you're going to go up to the top right, view profile, all right? And then you're going to go ahead and hit that pencil button and start adding things one by one. You're not going to be able to knock this out in a day. Take it one thing at a time. Maybe I'm going to add my experiences today, add my education tomorrow. All right, maybe volunteer the next day. All right, and the key thing that I want to show you guys as well, shout out to you all, stay to the end. All right, we want to talk about editing our link. You guys can see I'm linkedin.com. All right, LinkedIn/Nigel Hammond. That's clean. A lot of people's look like Nigel Hammond, XYZ 32. No. You want to go to profile, top right. All right, edit your profile. All right, and you see right here, edit your URL. This is key. You want to have your first and last name or something that's very small. So you can say, linkedin.com/boom. When I put it on a QR code, it's clean. You don't want all those extra digits. This is something small that a lot of people don't do. All right, let's talk a little bit more specifics. You have a network. All right, you have connections, contacts, there's groups, there's literally LinkedIn events, there's pages, newsletters, it's all of these different things that you guys can tap into. All right, on a view profile level, all right, you can actually tell recruiters that you're open to jobs. All right, look at this, guys. You can say, hey, I'm open to finding a new job. I'm open to providing services. I'm open to hiring. All right, this is a fully comprehensive system. Take the time to make a LinkedIn if you don't have one. And if you already do, let's add those descriptions. Let's add that picture. Let's add that video. Let's add our content. Let's make a post at least once a week, at least once a month, saying what you do. I'm gonna give you guys 5 ideas off the top of my mind. All right, 1, showcase something that you learned at work. 2, post about the last conference you went to. 3, post about something that you learned, I don't know, on a podcast. 4, showcase, family time and how it's great to have a work-life balance. 5, actively be aggressive. Say, hey, I'm looking for a job in XYZ. Here's what I bring to the table. Here's what I'm interested in. Let's keep it going. 6, showcase the school project that you've been working on. 7, highlight your favorite teacher, coworker, somebody in your business that you really, really admire. 8, take a screenshot of this. Literally repost it. Hey, I'm with Nigel Hammond, the resume plug, and I've learned XYZ. I'm going to repost it. You see the views that I have, and now your network is now my network, guys. I just gave you 8 things to do for LinkedIn right off the top of my head. Please pause this video if you have any questions, and know that it's a journey. You're not going to be able to get there in a day. You're not going to be able to get there in a week. Take your time. If you're consistent, week in, week out, month in, month out, you're going to start to have opportunities come to you. Guys, thank you so much for tapping in with the resume plug for the actual LinkedIn guide. I can't wait to see you all on the next video.